So we're going to quickly check the sensor and see how dirty it is on this Sony A7 Mark III. So basically what we're going to need is a memory card. And then we're going to flick it over to AV. Or A. You can do this with any Sony mirrorless camera and also SLR camera. So flick it over to A. Set your ISO to 100. So this one's already been set to 100. Set your ISO to 100. Make sure these settings are centered and your f-stop is 22. Turned up 22, all the way up. Some are 32, some are 16, but all the way up. So all the way to 22. And then against the white wall, like the one over there, we're gonna, while we're taking the picture, just move it up and down like this. And then we're gonna view the image. And you can see it's like a white image like that. It's really dark, so what I'm going to do is pump up the brightness and change the monitor. Brightness up high, and let's have a look at the sensor. So I'll press the play button and go back into the image, and let's zoom in. We'll zoom out a little bit. So there's a dot there. There's a big dot, a dark dot there. There's a few of them over there. That one there. But those ones on a blue sky or a white wall, or like that, and yeah, they'll pop up. Okay, let's take a closer look at the sensor and try and reveal some of those dots. You can see that big one down the bottom there. And that one across there. There's a few of them around there. So we'll give it a clean and see how it turns out. So we've given it a clean, let's see how it came out. We'll pop a lens on and test it out. Okay, we'll take another shot and compare the two images. Review the image. So let's review the second image I just took. Zoom in, zoom out a little bit, go to the top, start at the far left. That should be enough. Have a look. There's a dot down there. So bottom left will be on the top right, top left on the sensor. Right side's good. Go to the top. Top right's good. We'll come down a little bit, across the middle. The only one I'm worried about is that one there, the bottom left. We'll give it a clean and try it out. Okay, let's try shot number 3. Go to the bottom right. Shot number 3. The before image. That's where it was before. That's the now, it's gone. Now we'll go through the sensor again and check, make sure there's nothing else on there. Top left, good. Going across the screen, I can't see any dots, which is good. Top right, no, it looks good. It gets a bit dark, I can see it, looks pretty good. Bottom right, good. Head back across the screen. Looks good. You can see all the straight lines. It's because of the motion of when I took a picture of the wall. All those little dots, I've basically washed them across the screen, revealing any dots that will be on the sensor. Move up to the next line. That looks good. Move up to the next line. Go across. Looks good. One more, the last one. Perfect. Works perfect.